I'm FitznBitz, in case you've forgotten who I am, seeing as I haven't uploaded a video in about 8 months I think it is. My sincere apologies, life gets in the way, then Snapchat and Instagram stories, it's a bit easier, so I kind of took the lazy way out. But I'm glad to be back on YouTube. Thank you for staying subscribed if you have, and if you're new here, please do subscribe, show me a little bit of support and just to be notified when I put up new videos. Right, let's get to it. I'm very excited about today's video because it is phone. It is all about the new Anastasia X Amrezy Highlight. I'm doing this video in collaboration with Dale from Monster Makeup XX. The two of us have kind of been out of the YouTube scene for a while, and we both wanted to make a bit of a comeback because, I don't know, I think just bring it back to basics. I used to love doing YouTube. I love seeing your comments and having a bit of a chat in the description or in the comment section below. It's just kind of old school. I kind of wanted to bring it back to YouTube reviews. So I'm doing this in collaboration with Dale. So her channel is linked below. She has bought the highlighter, like I said, as well. So her review will be linked below, and I'll link it after the video as well. So me and her are doing this video together. And this arrived like a few days ago. It's nearly killed me to not open it. But I'm doing an unboxing, a first impressions. Let's get to it. Okay, so quickly before I actually unbox it, I'll quickly tell you about the shipping. I ordered this from the UK website. A lot of people seem to think that you can only get Anastasia from their US website. They do have a legit UK website. That's where I ordered it from. I ordered it when it was released on the 14th of February, Valentine's Day. So I ordered it on the 14th, it was shipped on the 16th, so shipped after 2 days, and it was delivered on the 21st. So it took a week to get to me, which is pretty standard. I was happy enough with that. The shipping experience from Anastasia Beverly Hills was really, really good. Lots of emails to keep me up to date. It was tracked, which I love, because I'm very impatient when I order something online. I want it like now. So the shipping information, or the shipping communication, was really, really good. Because it's my first time ordering from them actually, so thumbs up for me from that. Okay, so here we go, I'm going to open it. In case you don't know who Amrezy is, basically she is Insta famous. She started off getting really, really popular over on Instagram. She's absolutely stunning. She's from New York, she's living in LA, and she's like really sassy, really opinionated, strong character. She's really like intense. So if you know her, you kind of get what I'm saying. She really is opinionated, but really super talented. She's beautiful. Just definitely check her out. She's like 5.5 million followers on Instagram alone, which is crazy. Okay, so this is just all the boring information. I don't know what that is. Okay, let's zoom in a bit actually. Okay, so here is the outer packaging. Oh, I hate my nails. I have to get my gels taken off. Anyway, that's the least of my troubles. So there is the outer box. It feels kind of velvety, which is kind of nice. I'm all about packaging. I think packaging is so, so important. I can't believe I'm actually holding it. I've tried to stay away from reviews because I want to have my own like opinion, but there it is there. My ring light is kind of messing it up. 1 second. So the packaging is absolutely stunning, and let's open it up. Oh, it's actually rose gold on the side. I'm not sure if you can see that. Okay, it has a little push button, which is like a little extra. I want to make sure I'm in focus when I'm opening this. Okay, ready? Let's go. Oh dear Lord, God, Jesus! Can you see those waves? Them waves though. Oh my God, I can't wait to get my finger into this. I nearly don't want it, so pretty. On her Instagram, as she was kind of announcing this, she kept going on about join the wave-olution. Now we know why. Okay, it actually is stunning. I need to get my fingers into this. So I'm going to do a quick swatch. Oh, it feels really creamy. It feels like really buttery. Oh dear Lord God. Oh my God, it actually looks super silky. Like it's as silky as my metallic nails. That is absolutely stunning. Oh my God, get on my face right now. So on the website, the description of the colour is a light brilliant gold. It looks quite gold in the pan, so I'm really hoping that it's not going to be too gold on my face. Colour wise, I am about a MAC NW15 to 20, so I'm quite pale, which I was a little bit worried about because gold doesn't necessarily look very flattering on me. And it looks quite gold in the pan, so let's just get it on my face. I have a few brushes. I'm not sure what brush I want to use. The first one is a fan brush that's from Blank Canvas. I'll leave description and details of all these brushes, but I have a fan brush, then I have a small little lay down brush, and then a thicker one. So I think I'll start with the fan brush because it's going to be the lightest. I'm actually so excited. Also, it has a full mirror, which I'm very happy about. All about that mirror life, especially when it's a full pan size mirror. Okay, actually I'll use the mirror from it. Oh my god, actually so excited. Okay, there's barely any fallout from it. Not sure if you can tell, but barely any fallout, which tells me that this is not very powdery. Okay, moment of truth, here we go. And I have no highlight on now. That's just like a natural shine. I don't know, from the light maybe. Oh my god, can you see this? Are we all seeing this? And like I am using, oh, a little bit of fallout there. I'm using a very light hand, as you can see. Oh my god, this is, I'm not even putting this on like my act. I'm actually so excited for this. I'll put a bit on top of my eyebrow. That makes my face look like it's holding liquid metal, powdered metal on my face. Oh my god, I'm actually boring lit. Boring lit. In general, I'm actually not a huge fan of fan brushes. I don't know, I just find I have more precision with like a little brush like this. I'm just going to blend this out a little bit more. Oh my god, it actually is so creamy smooth on my skin. Okay, I'm going to use this not blank canvas, this is a Real Techniques brush on this side, just to see can I build it up more. This is actually crazy pigmented. It's super smooth, glides on, there is no fallout, it's super smooth. And I'm actually really happy with the colour. It's more so like a warm white gold. It's not too overly like on the bronze side, it's more on the champagne side of gold. Okay, let's go for the nose highlight. Apparently you're not actually meant to highlight the bulb of your nose because, well, if you love your nose maybe you can, but normally people try to make their nose look thinner. Let's put a little bit on top of my lips. Oh my god, it's actually stunning. I'm so impressed with this. Look at it, like, are you seeing what I'm seeing? Okay, what I'm going to do next, I'm going to grab an eyeshadow brush because I want to apply it to, I'll see how it applies on the brow bone. I think actually if I were to wet a brush, these would actually be more intense. I'm going to do that. Okay, so I just grabbed like a flat shader brush and I'm going to spritz it with some like Fix Plus. And I'm going to use it as an inner corner highlight on my eyes. Just to see how it forms wet, like no fallout even when I tap. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I hope you can see when I zoom in even more. Okay. Works lovely as an inner highlight as well. Super nice. You're going to see me from the moon. I'm so glowy. I'm just going to put a little bit, oh! I'm going to put a little bit under my brow bone as well. Although I don't necessarily think gold is hugely flattering on your brow bone, but just for the sake of the video, I might as well show you it all over my face. Is it a bit much? Have I applied too much? Never! Okay, so there we go. There it is, up close and personal. I'm really impressed, especially with how buttery it feels. There's like very minimal fallout from it, which just shows this is a very high quality product. And sorry, once again, the packaging is absolutely stunning, so I'm really impressed with that in first impressions. Okay, so now that the product's on the face and this is what you all wanted to see, I'll go through some of the boring stuff. Price wise, so it is $28. or £29. So if you're in Ireland, you're probably going to order from the UK site. That converts to around 33 euros, €32.90. So it is a bit of an investment for those who are used to buying budget friendly, but you know. Once again, the really annoying thing is that the US gets such a better deal. Like $28 is actually €22, whereas from us ordering from the UK side, we end up paying a tenner extra. So it's going to be €33 in or around. That's actually free shipping. And like I said, it came within a week. What else? I'll quickly give you the description on the back of it. So the limited, oh no, it's not on the back of it. There's actually just Amrezy's little quote. The limited edition Amrezy Highlighter is an illuminating powder that achieves the perfect glow. With the feel of second skin, this ultra smooth formula delivers a radiant finish and reflects a light, brilliant gold. I'm so impressed with it. I really, really do like it. So I'm really curious to see how Monster Makeup XX got on with it. Again, I just want to say how happy I am with the shade because, like I said, because I'm so pale, I was afraid it was going to be overly gold, but I think I can just about pull this off. It looks way more gold in the pan than it does on my face, I think. I think it has a really flattering undertone, so basically I think it's quite a universal shade. And I'm actually kind of shocked with that because I thought it was going to look better on deeper skin tones, but as you can see I am quite pale, but I think it is quite flattering on my skin too. And I think that's just about it. I think I've blabbed enough. I think it's absolutely beautiful. If you do end up getting it, make sure you snap me or send me a tweet or something. I'd love to know your opinions. I hope I've included enough information. I've probably blabbed on for so long. I need to get back into like the routine of like sitting down filming in front of the camera. It's actually a bit foreign to me right now, but I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment below, and also make sure to check out Monster Makeup XX's video, which will be live today also. So thank you so much for watching. Like I said, thank you for sticking by because I haven't made a video in so long, but hopefully I will be making them more regularly. And if you have any requests also, just send me a tweet or a snap there. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye! You know when you get like a new baby and you're afraid to touch it? Okay. Oh. Shit. Ooh. Christ on a bike and Mary on the fucking handle wheels. Can you see me? Like I went from like a plate, I looked like a plate, like flat as a plate, to being like a full cutlery set. Like out of the box. A new bridge cutlery set. Look at me. I'm the shiniest bitch inside the whole entire house.